We think the luxury industry should be the driving force in the journey towards sustainability. Not only quality and price as a requirement, but carbon footprint or water footprint will be key elements for purchasing decisions. AMF is an integrated group of companies creating and producing metal and non-metal accessories for luxury brands like garments, shoes, leather goods, and the luxury industry in general. Our customers are very demanding in terms of time to market, in terms of cost and efficiency, but more and more they're also demanding service and sustainability. As an integrated producer, we put a lot of effort into making our production steps from the manufacturing of raw materials to the surface treatment as sustainable as possible. And we also want that our customers get a complete transparency on all the luxury value chain. As a long-time CATIA user, also with our partner Nuova Makut, we choose the 3D Experience platform as a natural step. We chose the technology on the cloud because we needed to expand and move fast in an agile way. Having everything in one place also helped us retrieve old designs, old technologies, and since fashion is always about also reinventing and rediscovering what was nice and good in the past and making it new again, we can also collaborate and have always the same design on the same page with our customer, our sales team, our designers. Better design at a faster speed. With the new platform, we can cut development times in half.
It's important to pass from artistical ideas to the final technical solution. For example, of the natural sketch, we can work directly with the customer to trace together the ideas. And after that, we can pass it to 3D modeling. We go on with the render. So with the use of the platform, with the use of different materials, we can choose the right weight, for example, to control the volume, to control the surfaces. So we can manage the inner material, but also the thickness of the coating, both in the technical aspect and on the economical aspects.
In the future, we will see AMF as an ever more integrated player and an ever more sustainable player in the industry.